Good morning, everybody. It's Mr. Lion626, and today I got this Magnavox AJ3040/17 AM/FM alarm clock radio from the Tooth Fairy. So this clock was going to be a birthday present. I actually had wanted it for Christmas, but I never got it for Christmas, and then it became a birthday present. But yesterday, March 14th, 2014, I was sucking on a caramel apple pop because I got an A on one of my stuff, and I was sucking on it, and it got stuck to my teeth, or one of my teeth anyway, and I pulled it off, and bam! It got one of my teeth. It's really cool. You can see a picture of it on Instagram. Pardon me. Okay, so that's pretty much it story-wise. So let's turn this on. We'll do the legendary channel browse. And to turn off the radio, you just hit the snooze bar, or as Magnavox calls it, the repeat alarm. And yes, again, it has no colon. If you'll go to my other Philips Magnavox alarm clock radio, which I think it's called the AJ3141, click on the clock, or click on this clock to see it, to see a video of it. It also has no colon, so I think Philips or Magnavox, or Philips Magnavox clocks are pretty much the ones that don't have colons. I mean, some of them probably do, but maybe all of them don't, but probably, I think majority of them don't. Well, yeah, that's it for today, folks. Thanks for watching.